2025 is your year. Seriously, this is the year to stop just thinking about the life you want and actually start building it. And guess what? It doesn't have to be complicated. I'm going to show you how to make 2025 the best year of your life on easy mode. If you're here, you're probably ready to take control of your finances, grow as a person, and live a life that's both successful and fulfilling. Stick around because I'm about to break it down in a way that's simple, actionable, and effective. Let's focus on small, consistent steps that lead to massive results over time. 1. Reflect on 2024. Before you can level up, you need to know where you stand. Reflection is like your financial balance sheet for life. What worked? What didn't? What patterns can you spot? If you set goals for 2024, pull them up. Did you hit them? If not, why? Take an hour or two to write down the highs and lows of the year. Focus on these 3 questions. What were your financial wins? Did you hit your savings target or grow your investments? Where did you fall short? Did you overspend, miss an opportunity, or slack on budgeting? What can you do differently? What's one financial habit you can fix or improve? Now connect these reflections to your 2025 planning. For instance, if you found that inconsistent tracking derailed your budget, make automating your financial tracking a priority for next year. If you identified that celebrating small wins kept you motivated, plan to incorporate more milestones into your 2025 goals. Be brutally honest here. Even if 2024 wasn't perfect, the lessons you've learned are gold. Use them to create a clear starting point. Write everything down, not just your numbers, but also your emotions about them. Did you feel stressed about money? Did you feel confident? Understanding the why behind your financial habits is just as important as the what. 2. Set your 2025 goals. Here's where we put pen to paper and map out the future. To make your goals more actionable, try using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," set a SMART goal like, "I will save $500 per month by automating transfers to my savings account starting January 1st. Break your goals into these 5 buckets to keep things focused and balanced, where we put pen to paper and map out the future. Break your goals into these 5 buckets to keep things focused and balanced. 1. Financial goals. Maybe you want to save $10,000, invest 20% of your income, or pay off your credit cards. Be specific. Numbers make it real. Consider adding stretch goals too, like starting a new income stream or maxing out your retirement contributions. 2. Self-improvement goals. Want to boost your financial literacy? Read 1 book a month about money, investing, or business. Or take an online course to sharpen your skills. The ROI on learning is massive. Commit to building habits like tracking your expenses or meditating daily to stay focused. 3. Relationship goals. Good finances are better with good people. Set goals to have regular money conversations with your partner or teach your kids about saving. Build strong relationships that support your success. Schedule regular family meetings or date nights to align on shared goals. 4. Fun goals. Money isn't just for saving, it's for living. Plan a trip you've been dreaming about or pick a hobby that makes you happy. Put it in your budget so you can enjoy it guilt-free. Don't overlook smaller joys like a weekly coffee outing or joining a sports league. 5. Career/business goals. Whether you're climbing the ladder or building your own thing, set clear targets. Want a promotion? Great, set milestones. Growing your business? Awesome, focus on revenue goals and customer growth. Identify specific skills or certifications that could boost your earning potential. Step-by-step example, Jason's financial reset for 2025. Let's say Jason, a 28-year-old marketing professional, wants to make 2025 his best year yet. Here's how he applies these principles. Reflection. Jason reviews 2024 and notices he overspent on dining out and missed his savings goal by $3,000. However, he did successfully pay off a $5,000 credit card balance. He realizes he needs to track his expenses more closely. Setting SMART goals. For 2025, Jason sets the following goals. Save $6,000 by the end of the year, $500 per month via automated transfers. Invest $3,000 in a low-cost index fund. Reduce dining out expenses to $150 per month. Building systems, Jason uses a budgeting app to set spending limits and track transactions. He schedules a monthly review to ensure he's on track. Learning, Jason commits to reading one personal finance book each quarter, starting with The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. He also subscribes to finance podcasts for his commute. Fun and rewards. To stay motivated, Jason plans a weekend getaway for every $2,000 saved. These breaks are budget-friendly and align with his financial goals. By the end of the year, Jason's systems and consistent effort help him not only achieve his goals, but also build better financial habits that set him up for long-term success. 3. Build systems, not just goals. Goals are great, but systems are what get you there. Think of them as the daily habits that lead to success. Here are some financial systems to set up. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Make it so you don't even have to think about it. Track your spending. Use apps like Mint. Budget monthly. Sit down once a month to review your finances. Adjust as needed. Build an accountability by sharing your goals with a trusted friend or family member. For example, one of my friends wanted to save for a vacation but kept falling short every year. She decided to automate her savings by setting up a separate account just for trips and transferring $50 every week. By the time her vacation came around, she had the funds ready to go. No stress, no scrambling. The system worked because it eliminated the need for constant decision-making and made saving effortless. When you focus on the system, the results take care of themselves. If you want to dive deeper into this concept, check out the video at the top right corner of the screen, How to Actually Achieve Your Goals in 2025, where I explain how setting systems, not just goals, can transform your year. Stick around until the end of this video before heading back to check it out. Trust me, it's like saving dessert for after dinner, and these steps are the main course. Create checklists to make these habits easy to follow. For example, every Sunday, review your weekly expenses and plan for the next week. 4. Commit to learning. If you want to grow your wealth in 2025, you need to keep learning. Here are a few ways to make that happen. Books. Start with beginner-friendly reads like The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, or watch the video at the top right corner where I share the 9 lessons from the book, but don't skip the rest of this video as there are more valuable steps towards the end, or I will teach you to be rich by Ramit Sethi. Then dive into more advanced titles like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad, Poor Dad to deepen your financial knowledge. Don't just read, take notes, and apply what you learn. Podcasts and YouTube. Subscribe to finance-focused channels like this one for ongoing education. Try watching or listening during your commute or workout. Some great podcasts include The Dave Ramsey Show and Bigger Pockets Money Podcast. Courses. For a comprehensive guide, check out the course I recommend in the description below, Road to Successful Investing Guidebook. This concise guide covers everything from beginner to advanced investing concepts, complete with practical examples and illustrations. Set a goal to dedicate just 30 minutes a day to learning something new about money. It's a small investment of time with huge returns. Beyond books and courses, consider finding a mentor or joining a community of like-minded individuals to stay motivated. 5. Take care of your health. Your physical health is the foundation of everything, including your financial health. Pick a big fitness goal like running a 5K, completing a triathlon, or simply going to the gym 3 times a week. Staying active keeps your energy high and your mind sharp, which are both essential for achieving your goals. Consider pairing fitness with social activities like joining a local sports team or signing up for fitness classes. 6. Reduce time wasters. Let's be honest, scrolling social media doesn't pay the bills. Set time limits for apps that drain your time and energy. Use that freed up time to do something productive, whether it's working on your side hustle, learning a new skill, or just spending quality time with loved ones. Consider tools like app blockers to make this easier. Reallocate that time to activities with high ROI like brainstorming new ideas, networking, or even simply relaxing intentionally rather than mindlessly scrolling. 7. Visualize your success. Create a visual representation of your goals. This could be a vision board, a detailed calendar, or even just sticky notes on your mirror. Seeing your goals daily keeps them top of mind and motivates you to take action. Use tools like spreadsheets or apps to track your progress visually and celebrate milestones. 8. Live like you're the star of your own movie. Imagine there's a camera following you around, documenting your life. Are you making decisions that create an inspiring story? Are you building a narrative of financial freedom and personal growth? If not, rewrite the script. Think of every choice as a plot twist that can either elevate or detract from your story. When it comes to finances, this mindset can be transformative. Picture yourself making bold, smart moves with your money, that future you would be proud of. Would the star of your movie spend recklessly, or would they invest wisely, save strategically, and create opportunities for wealth? Viewing your financial decisions this way adds an extra layer of accountability and makes even small choices feel significant. 2025 is your year to shine. Start small, stay consistent, and don't overcomplicate it. Remember, your inputs determine your outputs. Take control of your choices, and you'll see incredible results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on finance, personal growth, and living your best life. Let's crush 2025 together. If you like this video, you might like my other video on how to achieve your goals in 2025. See you in the next video.